Folks, I'm driving home from a bachelorette party, and on my way to this party I had to go to the post office, and my post office, as some of you may have seen, is in a DIY shop because we don't do dedicated post offices anymore, which is quite annoying. Upside of that though is that they have an electronics waste bin, and I found something in there that I'd like to quickly share with you. You ready? Here it is. It's a Sony CFS-20.4. Let me see if I'm actually in frame. I don't think I am. Here we are. I am using the front camera of my phone. Is that the back camera? Anyway, the good one, because that's usually a lot better. But that does mean I can't see myself, so I'm sorry if I'm not ideally framing this shot. It's a simple AM/FM radio with cassette recorder, but I like the way it looks. I'm fully assuming it takes this kind of wire, yes. And I'm fully assuming the radio is going to work, but we don't know about the cassette, of course. Let's see. Let's get some radio going. Antenna is not all there, but part of it is, so that should work. It's set to FM, and we get nothing. Nothing? No. That is very little. I did not see that one coming at all. You're kidding me. I'm not used to these not working at all. But this does feel a bit loose, not gonna lie. I feel like this may have something to do with the issue. See that? Do I have batteries for this? It takes C cells, I think. 1, 2, 3, 6. Ooh, I'm not sure if I have 6, but let's try. I'm back with 8 of them, but I'm not sure if they're all full. So I got a battery tester just in case. I don't even know what this one's from. Doesn't even have a brand. LR14C. It is indeed C cells. Now with a bit of creativity you can fit AA batteries in there as well, pen lights, but that's a pain in the ass. That being said, I'm surprised at how well this is going so far. Okay, do we get anything? Yeah, that was bound to happen. How they never found a better solution for this, it's beyond me. There's some glue in here. Is that gonna work? Anyway, you stay in there. Just gonna put this in, see if I can get anything going. FM mode, mono stereo. Okay, we get nothing so far. Stop eject. Absolutely nothing. I did not expect that one. Well, let's open it up then, I guess. There's not that many screws, so I'm gonna quickly take it apart, see if we can get anything resembling sound coming from this, because I'm a bit baffled that it does nothing. There's not that much to go wrong with these. So no sound at all is not to be expected, or no power at all. Okay, there's some movement there, but not enough. Did I get this one? I did. Let me get a light. What is in there? What the hell? Don't think there's anything in there. I don't think there's anything supposed to be in there either. Is there maybe some screws behind the batteries? Maybe. Yes. Okay, more violence. Okay, here we are. Okay, so what's wrong here? Why are you not working at all? Except door opened, because nothing is holding it in now. Okay, we have a plug there. So this seemed a bit loose. Let's see. AC in. Oh, I see the issue. I got the issue. Caution, AC primary area. I know, that's why I took the power out. Okay, so this is completely broken. Now I don't know what is supposed to be connected here. Are these two connected to each other? The AC into that or not? Is this, I'm not even sure what is here. I think this is the speaker, to be honest, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna just loosen these screws. Can I now take this off? Yes, I can. Okay. That's the power supply. This is the power coming in. But is it going to... Oh, it has more than one tear. God, what happened to this poor thing? That's broken. That's completely broken. But it also appears to be bent here. And I'm not sure if that's still working. It might be. But this is definitely broken. I'm just not sure where... This is going to there. But where is this coming from? Because the power is going in there and then into this. Okay. I'm not completely sure why it's not working, because the power is still connected to that. Oh, here's another track. Okay, so I'm gonna... Where's that going? That's going there. So I'm gonna connect these two. I'm gonna resolder these and maybe it works. I'm really bad at soldering. I always feel like I need way more hands than I have, but with a bit of creativity and some pliers, I will probably get it done anyway. I put those pliers on there just to keep this wire from removing itself from whatever I'm trying to do here. Well, there's a good thing there's not too many soldering points here, because I would just stick it all together and it wouldn't work. Okay, that's one. So that's connected for now. Again, I don't trust myself. And that's going to be hooked up to that one. So I'm going to strip this at sort of the correct length. Now, I don't actually understand electronics, but I know when something's broken, you need to reconnect it. So I'm going to solder this to this point, because I can see a trace running here. So these two should be connected, otherwise the trace wouldn't be there, because that connects the 2 points. Add a little bit of solder and hopefully get it stuck together. But this is never gonna win any beauty contest, because I'm really bad at it. So as you can see, there's this trace running from here to here, from there to there. That is now connected with this wire instead of this trace, because that's broken right there. And then I'm gonna... So this is internally connected. That actually should be fine. But I'm gonna just reflow these. The one. I'm actually just hoping that this is gonna do anything good. I'm not completely sure. The two. Let me see if the fuse is still functional, because the fuse may have taken a beating with all this. Are you okay, fuse? Why do I get the beep but not through the fuse? Are you okay there? Oh, there it is. Okay, fuse is not dead. I thought fuse was dead. Fuse is not dead. Okay. Let's plug this back in and see what happens. That's all I really need to get back in to test this. The speakers are not connected, but it should still turn on. Let's see if I'm gonna put the whole house in the dark. You are battery powered right now, so that should not be an issue. Let's see if we get anything. Absolutely nothing. I did not fix it. Well, I'm not sure why not. Do we get any power on the AC yet? Because it is connected now. It should technically work. 224. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to be set to, because that's sort of the voltage we expect here. AC in. Nothing. 224. Okay. And then what do we get here? 224. So that line works. What do we get here? Nothing. What are we supposed to get there? No idea. I shouldn't be connecting those two. Well, that's where my knowledge ends. I'm going to try the batteries again. But I think I didn't fix it. I'm not going to just give up on it. We always have Alexander. So I can always give it to him. He'll be like, oh, it's simple. Okay, that one's good. Sorry, my alarm just went off. That one's good. That one's not great. That one is good. This weird one. Oh, good, surprisingly. Did I fix anything at all? I fixed absolute... Oh, wait, yes it does. We have operation. Okay, good. So I did fix something there. Let's plug those speakers in and see what we get.
Eerwraak hadden omdat het in alleen
bepaalde
culturen zou voorkomen. Ik heb wel het gevoel en het idee dat iedereen zich realiseert dat het iedereen kan overkomen.
Obviously need screws, but I'm not used to Sony sounding this good. That's some shit music. Let's get a tape. Now cassettes on these are usually the issue, but Sony's are pretty reliable. It's running. It's very unhappy, but that may also be because it's not completely back together yet, as you can see. gonna put some screws in and see if that helps. Or maybe what I can do, actually, in this case, is run it like this so we can see what's going wrong. That's actually much more fun. The sound's gonna come from the back. It's not gonna be ideal, but let's see. There you are. It's obviously not completely happy, but how dirty are the heads? I don't know. I can't see right now. Let's give them a horrible clean. Do we get highs? There you go. Definitely needs a belt, but it sounds pretty good otherwise. So let's try some recording. Now this does have a built-in microphone. So let's try a recording from the radio and from the microphone. Let's see what we have on the radio.
Ja. Dus we hebben nog geen cijfers over het eerste kwartaal bijvoorbeeld. Maar de verwachting is...
There's always a little screw near the antenna at the bottom at the base. And if you tighten it, it should... There you go, now it stays up. Simple fix.
Dat is
So we have spoken word, which is good. Let's go.
Je kunt je voorstellen met alle investeringen die gedaan worden en de kosten die ze maken. En
you worked so well. Oh no, it's not winding anymore. Oh no, it's eating my tape. Stop eating my tape, you fiend. Next tape. I hope it's going to transport the tape because it worked pretty well before. Maybe I just didn't put it in there correctly. That could have happened. Oh no. Oh no, it fully stopped working. I mean, it was clear that the belt was not... Well, it fully stopped working now. Come on. Oh, there's the pinch roller. Well, how did that fall out? Not supposed to be able to do that just like that. Can I put it back? Just like that? Again, that's not really how it's supposed to be, but if I can, I will. Okay, it's in there. But the reel has now stopped working, which is weird because it worked well before, but yeah. I think the belt has officially given up the ghost. Can we get it to, with a bit of help, get it to record for a bit? Let's see. Yeah, I think we can. Okay, this is going to be messy, but we're going to do it anyway. Radio? Hello? There we are.
Dus dat moet je niet te groot doen. En dat is geen advies.
Okay, manual tape transport, are you ready?
Wij geven nooit advies, maar altijd goed om dit soort overwegingen mee te nemen. Dit was Nebius doorgelicht. Mocht je deze aflevering hebben gehoord.
And now we are recording from the microphone, but I can't get it. Okay, it's running again. It was running for a bit. No. Gotta save the tape. Gotta save the tape. Okay. Sweet, short but sweet. Stop! That was stressful.
Gingen mee te nemen. Dit was Nebius doorgelicht. Mocht je deze aflevering hebben gehoord op de radio.
We are recording from the microphone, but I can't get it. Okay, it's running again. It was running for a bit. No. Gotta save the tape. Gotta save the tape. Okay. Sweet, short but sweet. Stop! So, other than the belt, this is fully functional, and I need to figure out why it doesn't run from mains power. But honestly, that seems quite salvageable. The mains power thing, that's going to be Alexander's job. I don't think I can fix that. There may be some electronic components that are fried because of all the breakages. But other than that, I think this should be relatively easy to fix. Because I don't think this is a particularly complicated mechanism. So if I can take this off, any other screws? No, I can just take this off like so. Just be careful with the tuning wire. There we are. If I can get to the mechanism like this, there is your belt. That is actually completely toast. Yeah, I'm surprised that ran at all. Head looks pretty good. How do we take this off? Because I don't see screws. I hear a cat though. Just a sec, cat. I'll be right with you. I think this is the one. Well, there is a screw there, but the screwdriver doesn't seem to particularly like it. There we are. Okay, this takes the motor off. There we are. Not the easiest, but this is it. Here's the belt. And then I will need to take also this belt off. That one's in bad shape, and this one is in bad shape, but that's the two belts that need replacing. I would like to show you how weak they are by pulling them apart, but I'm not going to do that because I need them for measurement. But with those two belts replaced and everything put back together, this one's going to be a-okay, except for the power part, which I'm going to leave to Alexander. But yeah, that was a fun experiment. I made a mess. I have a cat to feed. I wish you a great night.